Well, good day, teacher and classmates. I'm going to explain the individual part of the strategic management phase 3 strategic proposal. My name is Luis Alberto Torres Garcia. As you can see, this is my code, my student code. We are in July 2021. This is my hand draw billboard paper. Uh, The case name is Kodak. A quick review of this company is Eastman Kodak Company, also known as Kodak, is a U.S. multinational company founded in 1982. Its economic activity was the design, production, and marketing of photographic equipment. Despite having declared bankruptcy in 2012, it managed after a major restructuring in 2014 to re-enter the market manufacturing pharmaceutical products and components. It's a whole different world. The problem is the bankruptcy of the company. We can see inefficient leadership by managers and leaders of the organization. The second one is wrong innovation strategy. The third one is low organizational capacity to transform its core business. This is important. We have also different differences in vision and strategy for the company for more than a decade. We have also underestimated effects, weak financial situation, unfavorable market impact of its products, and at the end we have total bankruptcy of the company in 2012. Thank you. This is my activity. I hope you have a nice rest of the day.